Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Today I'm doing an open house, and this house has been on the market for only 5 days, so that's really cool. Hoping to have a lot of guests. We've got some nice muffins and things set up for everyone. This is a 5-bedroom, 2-bath, brand new to the market like I mentioned in Hawthorne, California. If you want to see more properties like this, please just give me a call or a quick email and I am happy to help. So if you guys want to know what I shoot with when I don't have Warner here, Jackie was nice enough to lend me one of her cameras. So she gave me the EOS Rebel T5. I'm sure that everyone's very familiar with this camera. I'm still very new, and so I'm learning the difference between the lenses and how the quality of the lens really affects the shot. Most full frame camera bodies, as long as you have an amazing lens, you're gonna pick up some great shots. I've learned that I'm more of a video person than photography. I'm trying to get better at still photos, but videos where I really have a lot of fun. And people like Casey Neistat and Peter McKinnon, they really helped me to figure out which route I'd like to take. There are a couple cameras that I am interested in the market. I want the Sony A7 R3. Shoots at like 42.4 megapixels in 4K, and I think that would just increase the quality of my videos, as well as the perfect lens. So I'm still doing my research. I actually joined a group on Facebook called South Bay Photography, so I'm hoping to learn what cameras work best for me and just help grow the channel. That way my viewers can really enjoy Thanks again guys for watching. Please like the video if you didn't already and you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more, just hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading new videos. Thanks again. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.